If you want to see me reveal 6 more nail polishes from the Mini Mani month from Ciaté for 2021, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I am excited to finally get to nail polish again. I have not filmed a nail polish video since June 6th, so it was very much time for me to get back in front of the camera and talk nail polish, and I'm going to do it in a very different way this video because of 3 months of updates for you. So I'll try to shrink it and make it a lot more efficient for you to see all the goodies that I've been playing with over the last 3 months. So usually I would go through all the nail combos that I have done in the previous month. With 3 months, I have, I think, 20 nail looks, something like that. And I will have pictures of as many as I could capture over the last 3 months on screen, detailing the company name for the nail polish and the nail polish color. So you can see all of the combos that I did. I did quite a bit. Always wore nail polish even though I was non-camera because I like wearing it in life, and I hope you enjoy the combos and get a little bit of inspiration possibly for what you have in your own nail polish collection. And it's just a fun thing to do, and why not? So most of my nail polish does come from Ciaté through these Mini Mani months, and I have revealed up to the 12th color, and so now it's time to go into this bad boy and reveal, I can't believe it, but reveal 6 nail polishes. So we did 12. Let's see where I'm at. We did 12, so here is 13, and 14 is up here. So I'll reveal 2 at a time, and keep going for the last 3 months. Okay, for what I should have revealed in July, we have in the 13 number, we have a very nice pink color. And in 14, we have a very nice blue color. And they usually have little sayings in the box. So for the pink, it says, be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. That is nice. Yeah, it is always nice to do something nice for someone else. And then 14 is hello sunshine. So rainbow for someone's cloud and hello sunshine. It's a good pairing. I will take all the nail polishes out after I'm done with the reveals, and we'll take a closer look at the colors. So we've got 13, 14, now 15 and 16. Okay, we've got 15 up here and 16 down here. All right, I will open those up. And they are really hard little doors to open, so I'm doing my best. Okay, we have 15 up here, which is, oh, it makes me think of moon dust. Really neat color, and it says born to shine. That works with that nail color. And then 16 is a nice nude, which is very similar to what I'm wearing today. That is a nice kind of nudie peach color. So we've got, actually I think that the one in the Born to Shine will look really nice with the blue back here, but we'll take a closer look at them in a second. All right, 13, 14, 15, 16 done. We have 17 and 18, and they happen to be up here and down here for 18. So let me reveal those 2. All right, I like it. All of them are very different. So number 17 is a color that I really like, kind of a pastel-y pinky purple. I think that's very pretty. And 18 is a bronzy, looks like a bronzy chocolatey shimmer. So all of those I think are fantastic. They will look very good for the fall. And let me free them up and we can take a closer look. Okay, here they are in all their glory. I will put a picture of the full lineup right here for you. These are the first 2. We have Bubblegum Bellini and Smooth Sailing. So Bubblegum Bellini and Smooth Sailing. good names for both of them. I'm more excited about this one, but when it comes to fun pairings, the blue may be quite nice, and also for a pedicure, I like the that kind of a blue color. I tend to go for darker colors on my toenails, so that might be my use for that one. But the next one after that, I think is also a good pairing with the blue. So I think those go really well together. So we had Smooth Sailing here, and this one is called Twinkle Toes. We were just talking about toes. Good. All right, so I really like that pairing. And so that's half of them, the first three. And then we have a couple of very nice light pastel-y colors I mentioned earlier. I really like these two. This one is called Beach Melba, and nice play on words. And this one is called Spinning Teacup. I really like those two as well. I think that these are really nice. I just have one more to show you, and it's this bronzy, almost chocolatey kind of a shiny nail polish. So that is it. 6 nail polishes. I am now all caught up on the Ciaté Mini Mani month. I will use all 6 of these colors throughout the month and let you know what I think at the end of this month, going into the picks for October already. So if you have some particular combinations you want to see me sporting in future videos sooner than later, let me know in the comments. And do you have a new favorite nail polish color? If you do, I would love to hear that as well in the comments. I do love to discover new brands and new colors of nail polish, and would love to hear from you. That is it for the Mini Mani month for June, July, and August, I guess. Am I right? No, the last one I did was in June, so July, August, September. Oh my God. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.